In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to open up your Cadillac CTS key fob to replace the internal battery at home. This is a really easy process and it will only take you a couple of minutes, and the only thing you will need is one of these CR2032 batteries. If you'd like to get one of those online, I will leave a link down in the description so you can get one on Amazon for just a couple of bucks. So go ahead and check that out if you're interested, and then we can just begin. Now, the first thing you'd want to do is find this button on the bottom of the device. Hold that down, and while you're holding it, just going to pull out this internal key and hold on to that key because we're going to use that to pop off this back section of plastic. So just insert the key in just a little bit, just barely inside, enough that you can get enough pressure to pry off the back. So you can see I've started to crack this thing open. You can now just pull it off with your fingers just to avoid damaging anything. And I'm going to show you exactly what was going on there so you can have get a better feel for it. So when you put the key in, it is under this little housing there. We want to just insert it barely in there, just enough to pry it without going in there. So we're just putting it in, actually prying like that to lift this back piece of plastic off. And once you have it open, you can put the key down. I'm just going to use a flathead screwdriver to get under the battery. You could use your fingernail or a pen or pencil, something, just anything you have lying around. And what we want to do is just get under the battery and lift it up. You can go ahead and dispose of your old battery, take a new CR2032 battery, and make sure you are putting it in with the positive side, with the plus sign on it, face down. So you just want to click it into place, positive side down, and now we can just put it all back together. So just set the two halves of the device on top of one another, line it all up and squeeze, and now just put your key back in there, and you are finished and good to go. I hope that was helpful for you, and if it was, feel free to let me know down in the comments section or just by giving this video a like. And if you ever need help with another one of your key fobs, you can always come back to this channel where we have videos for pretty much every maker model out there. And you can also get all that information and more over at our website, fobbattery.com.